Either if you want to disable Bixby from your Samsung A series devices like A50, A51, A52 or A30, A31, then this video is for you. You just need to scroll up, to get the app drawer or the app library section where you will find this search option. Now search for Bixby simply. Now from here you will find Bixby and a section for Bixby here for quick settings. Now from here you will find Bixby settings. Now go to Bixby settings. Now you just need to scroll all the way down until you find a Leave Bixby. You can tap on it and you will find some instruction and caution about the leaving from the Bixby. You can tap on Leave Bixby and it will ask for the permission it will verify yourself. After successful verification, you can just simply leave Bixby from your device. So it won't turn on Bixby again on your device. But if you want to turn off this Bixby from your power button, press on power button, then you just need to go to settings and then scroll down until you find this advanced feature. Now from here you'll just need to find this side key where you will find this press and hold section, wake Bixby. Actually I have selected this one, that's why if I press and hold power button, then I just get this Bixby on my device. So if I tap on power off menu, now if I hold on this power button, then I will get the power off menu except the Bixby. That's how you can simply disable the Bixby from your Samsung Galaxy A series devices. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.